Oh my God, look at it. Oh wow. This is what we're going to be making. This tilapia, you can find it at Costco. And this is just a little bit over 4 pounds. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tilapias. And these tilapias are farm raised. That's why they're pink. In Costco, when you buy these tilapias at Costco, if you notice, see the fins are gone. They're cleaning them up, even though they're already been cleaned. If you see this membrane right here, we need to open that up and clean them a little bit better. Now, this one's here doesn't have no gills. Like I say, I mean, Costco has already been done a really good work of cleaning them. Let me open it up. I'm gonna show you. See all that stuff in there? Look at this. We gotta get all this stuff out. We don't want to mix all of this. So we're gonna clean them up, rinse them up with water. Gonna clean them up as best we can. Even though they do a really good job of cleaning them at Costco, we still want to do this because you gotta remember they do this so they can sell, so they're not gonna be perfectly clean. Now we're done with this. I'll be going to the frying pan here in a second. I like to use this one right here. We're gonna pour some of this in this little Ziploc bag, and then every one of this we're just gonna throw them in there just like that. We close our little bag, and what we do, this will be ready for the pan. We're going to need this here, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to make some slices like this. One lemon, black pepper, as you can see. Put all of our garlic in there. One squeeze. We start smashing all this. So this has to be like a paste, okay? Now, mind you, you don't have to do this. You can do it on a blender. I like to do it like this because I like to incorporate all the flavors and everything and then put it on the fish. To me, this is the best way to do it, but it's not something that you have to do, just so you know. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you in a minute. We add some salt. Don't put too much of it. That's enough. That'll be good. And our paste is ready. We're gonna put it on the fish now. Do you remember what I told you? You gotta cut it like this. This is why you want all this inside all those little squares. You want it all in there, nice and packed in there. It will never be too much, so just put in there as much as you can. Again, the plan was to cook this outside on my setup I got outside with my desk and everything, but unfortunately it's raining outside. I was getting ready to cook our fish, and let me show you something. This is what's going on right now. Look, it is pouring right now. So I'm gonna put some of this inside just because I like the full flavor of it. And then we're ready for the next step. And we get some of this all-purpose flour. I like to use this here. You can find this on any Walmart. You don't need too much of it. It's just to give it a little kick to the garlic flavor. And I just pour a little bit of this like this. When we flip it over, we'll put some more. And this like that. Just like that. And this fish is ready for cooking. I always like to add a little bit of Crisco. That and oil too. I just flipped this fish and it looks really good. Look at those colors. It looks really nice. Nice, crunchy, all this. Look, oh my God, look at that. That looks really nice. Nice little nuggets. Is that good?
Yeah.
What's it look? What's it taste like? Okay. Here's the judge. What do you think? Good? Yeah? What do you think?
Super good.
Super good, okay. I guess it was super good. They like it. Look at that. Look at that. So nice and perfect. Oh my god, look at that. Oh wow.
You make the best food
Oh, thank you
in
guys.
the whole entire world.
There you go. Thank you. This is like really, really good.
Hey, Papa,
Oh my god.
you make the best food in the entire world, and I like it so much, and I love it.
Alright, buddy, thank you.
And you order my favorite food in my heart.
Yeah? Okay, buddy, thank you. I want to squeeze some of this. I don't think I even need this here. Look at this here. Oh yeah, this is really good. Look at this. This is refried beans, guacamole, all this right here, just perfect. And this right here, the lettuce, I like to eat them just like this. And this is how we make fish fry, just like this. Look at that, this is perfect. Look at it. Look at it, it's just falling apart. This is like really. That video for the guacamole and the beans is gonna be on a separate video. I'll put the video in there this weekend probably. But look at that, this is perfect. So this is how we made the fried fish. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. God bless.